talk to you about how to give a good compliment.
And to help us, we brought the compliment tree over here. A compliment is a way to praise or empower someone.
Our compliment tree uses the shape of an apple to hold our compliment word.
And when you give a kid an apple, you feed their belly.
When you give a compliment, he becomes sunshine that helps them grow tall.
Here is our compliment tree.
You can print out new apples to hang on your tree to help you learn even more words to compliment.
And our tree has lots of words that are kind and encouraging. Let's try giving them out.